Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
Introduce yourself, beta.
Today I am principal. My name is Saminda and I am from class 3. Today I am principal. So I enjoy today so much.
How was your day?
So good that I go in classes, I take tests, also I check work and I write diary and I study the car and I write, I control the classes also
Okay. So, did you enjoy the day?
so much.
Which teacher did you find that she was the best in school teaching
Miss
the?
Ayman and Miss Anika and Miss Pakiza.
Okay. So, what was their teachers' quality that you liked that you decided that they were teaching the best?
That teacher is that Miss Eman is doing very good work. Teacher is seeing that videos also that please this is free that you can bring in that way. And Miss Pakiza is that doing today they are praying that one story that one king was there and he was killing that way. And Miss Anika is that she is also singing that poem, that stories, and she's saying that we do that. Teacher made a video also in Islamic Iqbal, where his father name was in that way, but his name was Iqbal, and his father name was Iqbal, and that way.
What is like Tareem, you are in 3 class now,
Yeah.
but when you will grow up like me, so which is your future ideal job? Which job you would like to do, or business, or which work you would like to do?
I like that I have one school, and in that way I am that assistant teacher.
Okay, you are inspired that you would like to become a principal in future also, or a teacher. Okay, that's very good. So, which thing inspired you that when you are a principal for a day? So, which thing inspired you that you want to become a permanently principal in future? Which thing you like this job that as a principal? Which thing you like?
In principal that in principal today I go outside and I sit in sun also
Okay,
and I check work also on student.
okay. What is your idea that what is the duty of the principal?
So the duty of the principal that she will that to control the class. She will not eat junk food and anyone will not speak Urdu, but any boy will speak a girl will speak Urdu, then we can tell to sir and that.
Which classroom rule do you like that all students must follow?
That is the two classes that not misbehaving with teacher, they are so that writing work and they are not that they are so good.
Okay. So, which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is Urdu. Urdu.
Okay. And what is your idea that how can we make our students and teachers happy? What can, as a principal, Tareem can do that you can make your teachers and student happy?
Mm. That student though I will give that one that they will write any good work, I will give them that money also and I will give them that.
Price.
Yes.
Okay. And how can we make our teachers happy?
A teacher that we can give salary in good pay, not that say that you are so bad teacher in that way.
Always encourage to them and
Ah.
giving high salary to them.
Yes.
Okay. So, what is your idea then in our country? Which is the biggest problem in our education system?
And you know,
There's no problem in our education system. Okay, that's very good. For you, Tareem, last question. That what is your favorite memory in Epic School so far? That day you remember that day was very good.
this day was very good. The time I become a principal and we take science also, I check work also. I make drawing in Word also, but I make some also in that way. I write diary also that I check work also in that way.
And today is your best day in
Yes.
Epics. Okay, okay. Which message you would like to give to all students and teachers that as a principal, you are principal. So which message you would like to give to students and teachers?
Which message?
Uh, like morning time you give message also. So which message you would like to give to them?
That the teacher cannot use mobile in class
Okay,
and teacher can that see the videos also.
okay. And if your parents, they will watch this interview, so which message you would like to give to your parents? Which thing you would like to give to, what would you like to say to your parents?
I will say to my parents that I like this day so much. I will take that.
Okay, you like this day so much and you want to share this with them. So I am already sharing, okay? So, okay. Thank you.